Hello, how are you today? Okay, in this video, we are going to talk about how to rebuild your confidence while living abroad. It is difficult, right? When we are living abroad, the first thing we lose is our confidence. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips for you to rebuild your confidence living abroad. Hi, my name is Susana and I am your coach. I created Abroad with Susana to support international women living abroad to feel more confident and regain their focus through a lifelong learning approach. Okay, what happens to us when we move abroad? The first thing, well, after we settle down and everything, is that we have that feeling of like, now what? Right? Especially when we don't have a job, or certainly we don't have friends or family surrounding us, maybe just our partner, our children, but that's it. So our confidence starts like going down and down and down. So what can we do about it? The first tip is I want you to remember ants. You know that you don't want the ants going around your house, especially not in your kitchen. So you don't want ants in your head. And when I say ant, it means, I learned that word from one of the coaches that I listen to, and it's your automatic negative thoughts. You know those thoughts that it came to you immediately, your very critical inner you, that they're saying like, oh, why did you do this? For instance, when you move abroad, right? Why did you move abroad? Why, when you decided this was not a good idea. Look at you now, you're so miserable, you're feeling so lonely, and all these thoughts come to you. And I just want to ask you, are any of those thoughts helping you? No, right? Just stop those thoughts before they even start. When you cut up yourself, like thinking this way, is like, wait a second. I can have more positive thoughts, not these negatives that are not serving me at all, right? When you have those thoughts, just be aware. It's like, oh yeah, Susana talked about those negative thoughts. Automatic, because they come in automatic way. So just stop those ants before getting to your head, like you stop the ants before you're getting into your kitchen, for instance. The second tip is about love yourself the most, like you would be your best friend, your sister or your mother, this unconditional love. You live with yourself for the rest of your life, so you have to love you the most. So be patient. What would you tell to a friend that is suffering? What would you tell a family member that you love if they would be in your situation now? You won't be hard on them, right? So don't be hard on yourself. Love yourself the most. And the third tip is take this with humor. Imagine, what will you think in 5 years from now? Everything goes, everything passes. Nothing is forever. So this lack of confidence or this, loneliness, it won't be with you forever. So think about, how will you see this in, 5 years from now, or even less, in a year from now? How will you see it? So you can just take a step back and realize that you can do this. You can regain your confidence living abroad. Take it with a bit of humor. Okay, and that's it from me for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you find these tips useful, yes. You can receive more tips, if you like, on your inbox. If you sign up to my newsletter, I can send you a free program of 7 days with 7 tips, so you can learn more about living abroad. Okay, I'll see you in my next video.